toothpaste is effective for hair treatment?
Hair treatment, yeah, dandruff. See, we have this pusher for nail. And this is cutter, but this professional can only use this cutter. Nobody can use directly because it's very dangerous to cut. So for you are doing at home, you have very nice. I think I have the U pin is come. So small one. Maybe this. Sorry to say, Filipinos are there. They know about the cuticles remover,
Yes.
right? So slowly you can remove. It will come easily. No need cuticle cream. No need cuticle lotion. With Gano toothpaste and vinaigrette. It will give lighter shade also. Your hands will glowing with that also. And that also shampoo. This dandruff you have. You take toothpaste. In that little you put water and just mix it and just apply like this roots. And leave it for 10-20 minutes and then wash it because of dandruff. And it's a little mint flavor, so you feel little cool and little burning sensation. But don't worry about that. Nothing happen. It will give a nice result. Tea tree cream. You know about tea cream?
Yeah.
Yes.
That is what you say for mole. Regularly 10 days if you are using that, because I have experience from my husband. I am doing, he have too much on neck.
What?
So yeah. So I am using and just massage little. You just apply there, massage little and leave it. 10 days if you do, it will subside. You don't understand where it will go. And for fungus, nail fungus, you can apply toothpaste.
ரிமூவ் ஆயிருமா என்ன?
ரிமூவ் ஆயிருமா?
அது எப்படி போச்சுன்னு தெரியாது அப்படின்னு.
Drink lots of water.
Okay.
Don't smile.
32 நிமிஷம் ஆச்சு.
See, I didn't massage long. I didn't give her steam, but you can see the result.
Yeah.
She is in tension. She want to go. It's okay.
No, she's not in
Her friend also waiting. Sorry. It's okay.
Because she need to take bus to Dubai.
Okay. She's going to Dubai?
She's from Dubai. We are from Dubai.
Yeah. Okay.
We all are from. You're from China. Wow.
She will scare. Don't.
Wow, what happened?
How old are you?
No, yeah, really. If you use this product regularly, if you do, it will
Yes.
looks young and you know about the products. I don't want to tell about the products.
Yeah.
Can you wash and come? Yeah, please. Yeah, I don't know. Just ask.
Here, please.
Just water.
Yes.
Yeah, just water and come again here. Huh? Don't go. Bye.
No need to wash.
Toothpaste is good for this thing. You can keep in purse also if you want to go somewhere else. If something is there, even shoe bite also, you can apply. That much this
This
thing.
is
Pimples reduce means you have pimples, then you can apply there. If you break that pimples, you can apply on that part. So when you are using this product, no need to use toothpaste. If you go somewhere, somebody is asking you. So temporary you can
But don't push brand.
I know that.
நோம்பு திறக்க டைம் பார்த்துக்கோங்க.
If you don't like this, it's up to him.
we just open this kit and just apply. No need to go. You know, olden days, this Ayurvedic things, the herbal, they are using some pack. They are making pack. They are saying, okay, you put this, that, multani, and so much things. They say nobody like to do this. Everybody want to open and just apply. Nobody like to all these things doing at home and just make a paste. Nobody have time. Even India or Dubai, nobody have time. Everybody want fast, quick result and quick things. So we are lucky. We have all these things natural and in the packets, so we can apply quickly and rush.
Yeah.
Right? Nowadays, everybody have a hair fall problem.
Yes.
Everybody is complaining because of water, because of hair, this thing. But we can't say everybody's skin different. Everybody's stomach is different. We don't know what is the inside we have. So we have to remove first toxin out. Then only we can use this product and it give nice result. We go and we say this soap. You keep your face on long time, it will give not like that. First we have to tell them, if you are using soap, you just try once. If you have any problem, you just give a call. So we is there to tell them, explain them what we are doing, what you have to do. Okay, somebody said I have pimples with this soap. It's not like that. You have to ask, you drinking water, what is your history? You are eating what you are eating, with that also it can affect even oily things, even fatty things. Our stomach very disturbance, that time also it's look on your skin. So that we don't understand, we just go and we tell, we are members, we just go and this soap is very good for your skin, you have to just apply and keep for a long time, it will give nice, not like that. Sometimes it's get irritating. So you have to tell them, first you have to remove your toxin from your body. At least you have to take 1 month, then you get this nice, there is reflection. If you are using, means don't stop. There is reflection, there is good sign. So you have to wash with water lots, then you apply. 1 week you apply for 2-3 minutes. You want napkin? Yes, yes, good. I'll just go.
Can't sit down.
Yeah, please.
Finished. Now what is it?
This is a last session moisturizer. Even we can, with this moisturizer, we can go sun also, no problem. No need to put any sunblock. This is my experience. See, 2-3 drops. It's not very expensive. Okay, kit little expensive, but it take long time to finish.
Yeah.
You want to make makeup also? I can put.
No need. No need.
Make up older.
Just eyeliner. Yeah. Mascara. So
Lipstick addition.
Mascara used by the
yeah. Can we use? This is all the facial things. So now we have to force them to do some makeup things also, right? But after these products, we no need to makeup also. It almost glowing face. So that's why they didn't make makeup things. Only lipstick they make and moisturizer, sunblock. they know after this using nobody is buying makeup kit.
Anybody have like photo?
அப்படி இருந்தா நீ இப்படி ஆயிட்டு இருந்த
இது மிதிக்க போகும்போது ஒரே மிதியா போ
காலை ஏற்றினாலே போதும்
It's makeover.
Yeah, it's small. I'll just.
Wow.
You see the before? Before? After. And after. Before and after. See the difference?
No, it's not safe.
Before.
Very funny.
செய்யும் தொழிலை திருந்த செய்ய அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க எனக்கு.
We have small eyes, no? Even myself also. I am actually Indian, huh? But everybody is saying Filipino.
Which place? Goa?
Mostly also say
Are you from Goa?
Yeah, I'm from Goa.
Not free.
It's free. It's
100
free.
dirhams.
Would you have the invoice here? 50 dirhams.
This is not the accent, okay?
That's why she needs to pay you 15 dirhams.
She's my model.
of course. The XN model.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How do you feel? What stage period?
Huh?
Have you 1 minute? You just sit. I'll just
Okay.
Interview is waiting for. How do you feel now?
Relaxing.
Just
Look at your skin.
Yeah.
Very good taste coffee, no?
Only eating your skin.
Try. Try to be the model.
yeah.
Soft to your face. Oh, very nice.
Still hard.
Yeah.
That's okay.
One time listening.
Thank
maybe
you.
not. Hello, madam.
Thank